Have you ever picked up your phone only to hear that robotic voice say, your car warranty has expired? Or maybe a random number keeps calling about a fake delivery or a free prize. Spam and scam calls have become one of the biggest annoyances for iPhone users, but with iOS 26, Apple has finally given us a powerful way to fight back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to filter phone calls in iOS 26 using Apple's new phone screening feature. And trust me, once you set it up, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Now, let's start with what's new. In iOS 26, Apple quietly introduced a massive upgrade to call filtering and screening. It's designed not just to block spam calls, but to let your iPhone intelligently screen incoming calls before you even have to pick up. Think of it like having your own personal assistant who answers calls for you and only lets real people through. When a call comes in from an unknown number, instead of ringing, your iPhone automatically shows a live transcription of what the caller is saying. If it's a legitimate person, say your doctor or a delivery driver, you can tap answer and join the call instantly. But if it's a telemarketer or a scam bot, you can simply ignore it. The entire conversation gets filtered and logged, and Apple's on-device intelligence learns from that behavior to stop similar calls in the future. To set this up, you'll go into Settings, then scroll down to Phone, and look for a new option called Call Screening and Filtering. Here, you can toggle on screen unknown callers. Once you do, your iPhone will automatically route any unrecognized number through the screening process. What's amazing is that it doesn't rely on third-party databases or cloud servers. Everything happens privately on your device. That means your calls are never uploaded or shared. Apple's focus on privacy shines here. It's using the same neural engine that powers Siri to transcribe calls instantly while keeping your data secure. Now, for those of us who get dozens of spam calls a week, this is a huge relief. Imagine no longer having your dinner interrupted or your work meetings disturbed by constant unwanted calls. You can even customize how aggressive the filter is. There's a standard mode which only screens unknown numbers and a strict mode which can screen all calls not in your contacts. Perfect for people who only want to receive calls from family, friends, or work. You can also review the screen calls later in your recents list. iOS labels them clearly as screened, so you can see what was said without having to answer. And here's the best part. The feature ties beautifully with messages and mail filtering. So if a scammer tries to contact you through text or email, the system recognizes patterns and strengthens your protection across all communication channels. It's a full ecosystem of spam defense built right into iOS 26. Apple has essentially given iPhone users a quiet but incredibly powerful shield against spam. If you're tired of being tricked into answering spam calls or wasting your time on fake offers, this is the update you need to explore. Once you enable phone screening, your iPhone becomes your personal gatekeeper, polite to real callers, ruthless to spammers. It's simple, secure, and completely automatic. So take a minute today. Go to your settings, phone call screening and filtering, and turn it on. After a few days, you'll notice how peaceful your phone feels. No more buzzing from unknown numbers. No more interruptions. Just the calls that truly matter. That's the magic of iOS 26 phone screening. Smarter technology, more privacy, and fewer headaches. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more iOS 26 tips, and share it with anyone who's tired of spam calls. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.